Patodia, Consultant Physician, Sir Gangaram Hospital, New Delhi. EMF is electromagnetic field which is formed because of radiation emitting from these kind of gadgets like mobile phones, like microwaves, refrigerator, which we are using in day-to-day practice. EMF or electromagnetic field radiation has been there. We have been studying this for years together, but there is no specific guideline as to how much is enough or how much exposure should be there. So there is very limited information as such, as far as some guidelines are there, but definitely we know that prolonged exposure to EMF can cause bodily harm. EMF poisoning, I would not say poisoning as such, I would not like to use the word poisoning, but if you have a prolonged exposure to EMF, that is electromagnetic radiations or field, because of all the gadgets which we are using these days, that causes changes at the cell level. So that can affect, our brain capacity, our thinking capacity, our nerves, and various organs of the body, leading to short-term and long-term problems. And there are a lot of long-term problems which we are not fully aware as of now, because there is very conflicting data. Some studies have shown that they are known to cause cancers, they are known to cause a lot of brain disorders which need to be seen over a long period of time. The problem of we cannot totally avoid the electromagnetic field these days, because all the gadgets which we are using are known to emit these kind of radiations. But the only thing which we can do is because all these gadgets are necessary evil these days, whether it is a microwave or a mobile phone or any other equipment. So we need to use them as and when it is essentially required, and we should keep them turned off whenever we are not using these kind of devices.